Me, Mrs. Divitri Boybujan, has come to you with a new video on the topic of Earth's rotation, which is the topic of class 9 standard under ICSE syllabus. First, I am giving you a small introduction of myself before starting the video. Me myself born and brought up in Kolkata and quite curious to know about all the new things in my student life in my class. So I decided to be a teacher of my favorite subject geography so that I could be able to meet up all the curiosity of the students regarding this subject. Even at this stage of life, I like to know the new things, new topic, new information, so what is going around. Apart from this, I like to reading books, listening to music, and my favorite dance culture. So let's come to the topic. Today's topic is Earth's rotation. Now, basically, the term Earth is the English name, and the official scientific name is Terra. Terra is a Latin word, means in dirt or land. Our Earth is the third planet of the solar system, and this planetary system lies at the outer spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy. Now, what is a galaxy? Galaxy is a collection of huge number of planetary system, dust particles and gases together. Because of the gravity, they are together. Our galaxy is named Milky Way or Akashganga. Universe, there are 200 billion of galaxies, among which one is our galaxy, that is Milky Way. In Milky Way, there are also huge number of planetary system lies, where our planetary system, solar system, also lies in the outer spiral arm. In our solar system, all the 8 planets continuously revolving around its star called Sun because of gravity. They are running at their own speeds. The 8 planets are like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The Earth is tilted 23.5 degree on its axis and 66.5 degree on its orbital plane. Now, what is axis, axial tilt and orbital plane? Axis is the imaginary line from North Pole to South Pole passing through the center of the Earth. The Earth spins around its axis and it takes 24 hours to spin once. Now, due to this axial tilt, the sun rays falls at different latitude and different angles throughout the year. So, the season causes. And orbit is the elliptical path on which the Earth is continuously revolving around the sun. And for this revolution, it takes 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 46 seconds. The length of the Earth's orbit is 940 million kilometers. I am showing you a diagram. Number 1 diagram, you see that in the elliptical path, the Earth is continuously revolving around the sun, and on its tilted axis, the Earth is also spins around. Okay. Now we are coming to the definition of the Earth's rotation. The Earth spins around on its axis in the counterclockwise direction or west to east due to the gravitational pull. It takes 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds to complete one circular motion, which is known as the sidereal day. Sidereal day is a little faster than the solar day because solar day is counted from noon to noon duration. However, in geometry, a 360 degree angle forms a full circle. Our Earth is spherical in shape, so the Earth is actually rotating 360 degree angles. For passing 1 degree angle, it takes 4 minutes. So if it is passing 360 degree angle, basically it takes 360 into 4, that is 1440 minutes or 24 hours. Now, if we see, the rotational speed is not same in everywhere over the Earth. It is maximum over its equator, that is 460 meter per second, and the rotational speed is nil at the poles. Now, what are the proofs of the Earth's rotation? There are several proofs. In modern age, there are satellite imageries. With the satellite imagery remote sensing, we can say that the earth is all the time rotating and revolving like the other planets. Okay. Number 2, Foucault's experiment. Foucault's pendulum is a device to demonstrate Earth's rotation. It was introduced in 1851. A pendulum is a weight hanging from a fixed point so that it can swing freely back and forth. When we move the base of the pendulum, the weight continues to travel in the same path. That is the next proof. And third one, the earth is rotating so we can see the sun and the moon once in every 24 hours. Otherwise, this regulatory motion will not be found. The next one is Coriolis effect. The earth rotates on its axis and creates weather phenomena. The Coriolis effect makes the storm swirl clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. So these are the proofs of our Earth's rotation. The next one is the effect of the Earth's rotation. The first effect of the Earth's rotation is the pauses of day and night. As the Earth's shape is spherical, the whole Earth cannot get sunlight together. Which side is facing the sun is getting the maximum sunlight is the portion of day, and where the opposite part which is not getting the sunlight, there night prevails. Okay, here we can explain a term that is shadow circle. Shadow circle is the line from where the day and night is separating. So it is a basically imaginary line which separates the lighted half from the darkened half. You can do the experiment with the ball and any source of light in the dark room. The next effect of the Earth's rotation is deflection of winds and waves. Due to the Earth's rotation, the wind and wave deflected to the right hand side or clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and to the left hand side or counterclockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. This is known as Ferrel's law. So, any object like wind and wave will be deflected to the right hand side from the equator in the northern hemisphere and left hand side from the equator in the southern hemisphere. Next one, formation of tides. Due to Earth's rotation, the gravitational pull of the sun and the moon creates the tides on our planet.